Okay, so here we are in the bathroom. Red cloths, always red cloths in the bathroom. So as soon as we come in, we're going to start on touch points in here. I've got my cloth folded into 4 and I'm going to run down. Hard surface here, I've used half of the cloth, turn it around and other side of the door. Okay, so now we're at the bath. I'm going to refold my cloth so I've got a new surface to wipe with. Touch points again are your taps. Go around the edge of it, clean it, turn the cloth. We're going to do up inside the handrail and over the top of it. Fold it again for a new surface. Cover the faucet, and then we're going to use this whole pad and using that catching method, clean the entire bath. Okay, so shower, handles, along the rails. Any other touch points is the key word, so we're going to wipe all around here and down there, making sure you fold the microfiber cloth so there's a clean surface. Also along where the hand bit is, refold it. We've got hard surfaces down here, so we're going to wipe all of that down. And along here, any other surfaces you see, and then we're done. Okay, over to the sinks. I've got myself a new cloth, which is folded into 4, so we've got 8 surfaces. Touch points here, all your taps, and we're going to clean all the flat surfaces as well. So taps, I'm using this half, turn it around, do the other tap, repeat for any other taps in the room. Fold over. Catching method, we're going to do the hard surfaces along here, and then fold it again, and we're going to use this surface to wipe out the basins.